Hello and welcome to Hotline. My name is David Hitchman and I will be your host for today's trivia competition. Each year, the ELP students from Pete, Holmes, and Cedar Falls High School host our year-long elementary trivia tournament. Each of the elementaries in Cedar Falls selects a team of 6th graders to represent them in a competition that involves answering questions as quickly and accurately as possible. The winners from round 1 of the tournament will compete later in the year to see who will vie for the Trivia Championship in May. The winning school receives a traveling trophy and a party. This is our second contest of this year's tournament. Today's competition is between Lincoln and Hanson Elementaries. Hanson is represented by Parham Sampat and Rensa de Jong. Lincoln is represented by Ian O'Loughlin and Wes Kitzman. Today's winner will compete in a second round competition in the spring. Let's review our rules and get started. Our questions come from ELP students, commercial trivia games, and books of trivia. I will read the question. Whenever a team turns on their light, I will stop reading the question. They must answer the question at that time without the remainder of the question. If they give an incorrect answer, the other team will hear the entire question and have a chance to answer. Once the team light comes on, they have 10 seconds to answer. If neither team responds before I complete the question, I will wait 10 seconds before going on to the next question. 2 points are awarded for correct responses. Points are not subtracted for incorrect answers. Team members may consult with each other at any time. Once I call on them, the answer they give will be considered their final answer and cannot be changed. Our off-camera judges will keep the time and make rulings as they are necessary. The scores will be tabulated by 2 methods to ensure accuracy. The recording of the show will be used if review of the contest is needed. And now, let's begin our competition. Contestants, grab your buzzers and let's get started. Question number 1. What does YMCA stand for? Hanson?
Young Men's Christian Association.
That is correct. 2 points to Hanson. What U.S. president established the Peace Corps? Hanson?
Woodrow Wilson.
That is incorrect. Lincoln?
Answer?
Franklin Delano Roosevelt.
That is incorrect. The correct answer was John F. Kennedy. What color is the bottom stripe of an American flag? Hanson?
White. No, red. Red.
The first answer, okay. You said white, that is your first answer, that's your final answer. The question goes to Lincoln.
Red.
Red. That is correct, 2 points to Lincoln. What famous document begins, when in the course of human events?
Answer? Time.
The correct answer was the Declaration of Independence. What country was known as Gaul before its present-day name? Hanson?
Great Britain.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Lincoln?
Denmark.
I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was France. How old do scientists estimate Earth to be?
4 billion years.
That is correct. 2 points to Lincoln. Name the Disney movie that features the following songs: Kaa's song, I Want to Be Like You, and The Bare Necessities.
The Jungle Book.
That is correct. 2 points to Lincoln. What pop group's hits include All Star, Walkin' on the Sun, and I'm a Believer, featured in the movie Shrek?
Answer? Time.
The correct answer was Smash Mouth. What do spelunkers explore? Lincoln?
Caves.
That is correct. 2 points to Lincoln. What is Albert Einstein's most famous formula for the theory of relativity? Lincoln?
E equals MC squared.
That is correct. 2 points to Lincoln. Which state of the United States has the most electoral votes? Lincoln?
California.
That is correct. 2 points to Lincoln. The words cocoa, chili, and vanilla come from what language?
Spanish.
That is correct. 2 points to Hanson. What South American country comes last alphabetically? Hanson?
Venezuela.
That is correct. 2 points to Hanson. What animal meat is called venison? Lincoln?
Deer.
That is correct. 2 points to Lincoln. Where will the upcoming Winter Olympics be held?
Pyeongchang.
That is correct. 2 points to Hansen. Which famous song begins with the lyrics, "It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday"? Lincoln?
Don't Stop Believing.
That is incorrect. Hansen?
Answer. Time.
The correct answer was Piano Man by Billy Joel. What is the first day of Lent called?
Time.
The correct answer was Ash Wednesday. Which jazz musician saw Trees of Green, Red Roses Too?
Oh, what was it?
Hansen?
Louis Armstrong.
That is correct. 2 points to Hansen. What superstar became famous as the Material Girl?
Time.
The correct answer was Madonna. What digit did the Arab mathematician Al-Khwarizmi give to the West around 800 AD? Lincoln?
0.
That is correct. 2 points to Lincoln. What is the busiest seaport in the world? Hanson?
Tokyo.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Lincoln?
Answer. Time.
The correct answer was Shanghai, China. What is the name of the groundhog in Pennsylvania who allegedly predicts when spring is going to start?
Swatney Phil.
That is correct. 2 points to Hansen. To the nearest tenth, what is the acceleration due to gravity in meters per second squared? Hansen?
9.6.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Lincoln?
Answer. Time.
The correct answer was 9.8 meters per second squared. What does NBA stand for? Hansen?
National Basketball Association.
That is correct. 2 points to Hansen. Who was the fifth president of the United States?
James Monroe.
That is correct. 2 points to Lincoln. What 1991 hit was the first animated feature nominated for a Best Picture Oscar?
Time.
The correct answer was Beauty and the Beast. What planet is 1.5 times the size of all the other planets put together? Hansen?
The Sun.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Lincoln?
Jupiter.
That is correct. 2 points to Lincoln. What museum in Cedar Falls is round? Hansen?
The Sullivan Brothers.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Lincoln?
Imaginarium.
I'm sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was the Ice House Museum.